Now, Twitter is a tool that is gaining increasingly in popularity in classrooms, where teachers are creating their own Twitter streams or Twitter feeds and putting in tweets with links to particular areas of interest that might be covered in, say, a GCSE or IB or AS level, A level curriculum. Twitter is also, I think, fantastic for teachers CPD. And it takes a little bit of time to build up a following and a list of teachers, but there is some tremendous resources that are out there. And I think one thing you could do with Twitter is actually create a Firefly page with lots of links to some really useful aspects of teaching and learning. What I'm going to show you is how to embed a tweet from your Twitter stream onto a Firefly page. And here is my Twitter stream, and what I've got here are a list of tweets that I have favorited, so I can come back and check them. And the one I'm quite interested in, which I favorited the other day, was from Jack Schofield, who used to write for The Guardian. And he's put a link to a list of the top 10 worst passwords of 2014. And this is something that we do with our Year 7 students. Now, I quite like this tweet because it's got a nice little visual. There's a little kind of summary of what's going on, plus there's a link to a website that actually goes and talks about it in more detail. And I think this is an ideal tweet to put on my page. So how do I go about embedding this tweet? Well, if you can see, down below the tweet there are 3 dots. And if I click on it, like this, I get a drop-down menu, and I want to select Embed Tweet by left-clicking. And when I do so, I get a preview of the tweet, and I want it to include the media that's there. And you can see over here, I've got the embed code already highlighted. So all I need to do is copy that, and I can do it in different ways by doing Control-C or Command-C, or going to the Edit menu in Chrome and pressing Copy. Now that is copied, I need to go to Firefly. And here is my Firefly page. I've got my title and my subheading set up. So I'm going to go to Edit Page. There it goes. And I'm going to embed my tweet underneath there. Let's just press Enter to go to a new line. Now, because I'm embedding the code, I need to select the embed icon up here. So I click on it and I paste in the code from Twitter. There it is there. Doesn't mean a great deal of sense, but the magic happens when I press Done. And when I do that, there is the tweet already pasted in. And interesting enough, it puts the picture on top with the writing down below. So if I now just simply go down, have a look at it and press Done, I have now got my tweet, my single tweet with my picture. In fact, if I click on that picture, I can see the image on Twitter, and I can click on that link. So that's an embedded tweet. What's interesting, of course, is if Twitter is blocked within your school, that this actually will not show. But Twitter is fine on our place, and that does that.